Oh, yes. Give it to him. Look at your ass. Yep, there you do.
The first hairstyle is half up, half down. And I am talking to my sister on the phone. That's why you guys will see my lips moving, but no words coming out. And the second hairstyle is still half up, half down, but there's a bun involved with a little cute side bang action. Style 3 might just be my favorite style. Basically, I'm taking my hair, splitting it into 2 even parts, and then I'm just gonna go ahead, separate that French curl hair at the bottom and twist it into a bun, 2 lower buns, and it's definitely giving like Star Trek, Star Wars. Style 4 does not have a name. I was simply inspired by Pinterest. It may look complicated, but not really. It's just taking 2 sections of your hair from left to right and making 1 loop. Then you just continue doing that same step for at least 4 to 6 times. And to keep everything secured, you can just add a rubber band to the very end of it. Style 5 is half up, half down with 2 ponytails in the front. This style is very girly to me. I feel like I can see myself playing tennis or, you know, taking a walk in the park. Style 6 is, we're basically going to use style 5 and just twist those 2 ponytails into like 2 little space buns. Leave a little bit of hair out.
You're slaying. Slayed or get slown. Your hair turns gray.
Style 7 is really giving goddess. It's giving mermaid. Now you can play around with the 3 buns at the top a little bit. I was just trying to, you know, give y'all the idea. I wasn't really doing too much. So style 8 is a high ponytail with a swooped bang to the side, tucked into the ponytail. style 9, we are using style 8 to just take that ponytail and twist it into a bun. So now you have a bun with a swoop bane that is secured to the bun. Okay, y'all. Style 10 is definitely ultimate lazy girl. We finna put it in this ponytail and call it the day. And when I say lazy girl, don't get too sensitive, because y'all have to understand I'm both. I can be lazy girl, I could be classy girl, I could be fun girl, I could be all of that. Okay. Okay, so style 11, I'm just showing you guys that you can really use style 10, the low ponytail, and take that ponytail, twist it up into a nice cute bun. So definitely real classy. I didn't end up securing it, I just moved on to the next style, but that's what we're going for style 11, low bun. Style 12, I just decided to take 2 portions of my hair like right above my ears, and then twisting both of those sections and securing them in the back of our head into a knot, or we can also use a rubber band. For style 13, we're taking 2 sections from our hair right above the ear, and we are going to secure it with a rubber band into the back, because we are going to make a cute little bow. So when you're doing this, you want to make sure that the rubber band is really secured, and before securing it, instead of making a ponytail, you're going to make a very small tight bun. It has to be small, because the smaller and the thicker, the better the bow ties. Then you'll just take the bun, separate it into 2 parts for it to look like a bow. Then you'll just start taking the hair from the back of the bun and bringing it to the front. Once it's in the front, you're going to tuck it in underneath that bun to kind of secure things into place. Now, I was being extra because I'm not really with all that baby hair stuff. It's just, I have 4C hair, so the baby hair doesn't really do it for me. As soon as I put the gel on, it looks really cute, and then 5 minutes later, my edges are crusty, ashy, gray. I'm gonna just bring it around to the back of my hair, that way I can just hide my edges away. Style 13 is half up, half down, claw clip, and I like to go ahead and tie my hair and then bring my hair to the front and place the claw clip right on all of that hair grouped into my hand, and that just kind of makes the curls lay more upward than downwards. Basically, and I wear this style everywhere, to the store, the mall, dates. This is, you know, this is just that hairstyle. You just want me to sit down, because I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna be done. If you just keep talking and I'll be done at this point. Style 15 is pigtails, and of course, honorable mention will be wearing your hair down. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, you won't be disappointed, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye, beauties.